You want to do what?
I said, I'll race you.
You race?
But we can only go down as far as that thing is sticking out. That crate.
The crate of slabs?
Yeah.
So the first one past the crate of slabs is the winner?
Well, no, because you might edge me out.
Well, yeah, that might happen.
Yeah, come on.
It takes more than a coat of paint to make it on Thunder Road. You know that, right?
Right. True.
All right, give me a second to line up.
You're lined up good enough.
I'm lined up good enough? Oh, just one standing start. Okay, all right. Let's see how this goes.
Yeah, because it's kind of narrow down there. I'd be afraid to like hit a crate in my pursuit of winning.
And still talking smack. So you think you can beat me?
I'm going to try.
Yeah?
Yes. I mean, you can only go as fast as the machine. It's not
Right.
like I'm going to win or you can run faster or
Right.
anything. Because you can't run faster.
If I was smart, I'd just take off right now because her machine is a lot faster than this one. I know it is. All right, get lined up. I'm gonna get you just to rotate that grapple.
I don't know how to do that.
I'll show you how.
Okay.
So that rests rested in place now.
Okay.
So you should be ready to go.
I am.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Are we even?
Close enough?
That means you're not ahead.
When I beat my horn, we'll go.
On the third beat. Because I don't know when you're going to beat.
Okay. Look at her grinning. Look.
Okay, here we go. Oh,
I was just doing a burnout. I gotta watch her because she's gonna take off. That's funny. I was just warming up my tracks.
yeah, you need that. Third beat.
Third beat? Okay. I'll back up a little bit. 1, 2, 3.
You got a lot more power than I have.
Gas a little bit.
Not even close. Wow.
Oh shit!
Wow. Oh, that's sad.
I think we need a rematch.
Did you know that was going to happen?
No, but I kind of stopped twice just so that you
I know
could
you
catch
did.
up.
I'm surprised.
You want to trade machines?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I had my foot to the floor.
Let's back up and try it again, and we'll switch machines.
If you want to.
Yeah?
All right, we're going to back up, he says.
So now what I'll do is I'll get into Kubota and I'll turn on the rabbit. Then I'll pass her in this. Oh, shit.
That'll back up very straight. Oh yeah, buzz off. Show off.
Even in reverse.
Yeah, it's not me, it's the machine. Okay, we're gonna switch.
Alright, so I gotta get the setup for her. I shouldn't laugh so much. Are you ready?
I will be.
So did you want to do the horn this time?
Do you have a horn?
Yeah, there's
no,
a horn.
you can do the horn.
Okay. So, oh, there we go.
What took you so long?
Oh, well. Don't be
I had
talking
time
smack.
for a sandwich.
He didn't even wait for me.
Well, no, that was the point. I wanted to prove my point that it's the machine, not the man.
You heard that. Okay, so I've given her a tutorial on how to use the fast speed. We're gonna give this a go now. So I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1 with the beeps, and then we're gonna go. Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? He's gonna win, he's gonna win, he's gonna win. Got me by a nose. Got me by about a foot.
Well, it's about even then, I would say. That was really good.
Yeah,
So now I know.
yeah.
Now you know.
Now we gotta clean up.
Yeah, back to work.
It's time for break though, it's 10 o'clock.